Uh-huh.
I can tell. Anyway, good luck, guys. Let's see if we can fuck them up.
Well, yeah.
But yeah, keep the Ohio so he can shoot at both caps and stuff.
Salem's the only thing to Stalingrad, I should say, to worry about. Salem's radar's not, what is it? 8.5, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
As soon as I spot guys, I'll head back.
Just be careful pushing up, Pirang.
Yeah. That's the way I like to live, dangerously. Okay, this is a bit weird because I'm pushing up really far now. Here we go, okay, turning in. Hit that bungo, please, guys. Don't be scared.
Just get out of there. I got a bad feeling. Until we find the Stalin. I'm spotted.
But there's no peril in the battle. There's no glory in the victory.
Okay, we found Stalin.
Okay, yeah, so DD is on B cap, guys. He's just fired towards this direction. Okay, broadside on the bungo, guys. See if we can do that fucker.
Yeah, got a salvo on him.
Nice.
No, 4 over fence. He got so lucky.
Yeah, I feel like shooting him myself here.
Prince on the beach.
Fuck and shit and bastard. I could be dead here, gents.
Don't you dare.
How the fuck I judged them, I'll never know.
Nice, that was close as fuck.
I reversed diagonally into them, it was fucking madness. Oh, okay, yeah, Sander, just hang around about that area. Don't push any further forward, it's too dangerous, I think.
Attention, reporting the target position.
I do not believe what I'm saying here.
Fine.
There's another set of tops coming at me, I bet you hit these. Oh no.
We have both Shimon. No.
Okay, there he is, hit that fucker.
Yeah. Shoot him. Who the fuck is shooting you though?
Shimmy. Okay, he's fucked up because he's smoked up and he can't see me. And my tops are ready as well, I like it.
Attention, reporting the target position. Anti-aircraft gun crews are on normal alert. Problem solved, sir.
Okay. Watch out for them tops.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
Another set of tops coming in behind that one, Sander. Been burning that.
Problem solved, sir. Engine boost deactivated.
Okay, we still got time. Here we go. Kill that fucker.
Anti-aircraft gun crews are on full alert. The enemy is about to win.
Sorry about that, Will.
So it's only Salem on B.
Shooting me from like over there. It's so annoying. It's a fucking Salem. No wonder.
Ship is on fire. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir. Enemy destroyer sighted. Critical engine damage.
Okay, guys, feel free to do what you think you need to do. We're gonna lose if we don't do something very soon.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Ship is on fire.
I just broke my front tower. Front gun.
Oh, you know. Watch that one go. She's
Concentrate fire
got
on
like
the enemy
accurate
warship.
guns.
Engine blast.
Okay, still going on now. Well in stands, keep it. Oh, watch. No. I don't know what he's still got one more attempt. Gotta push forward. Tops.
Enemy battleship detected.
That's gonna be a ram. He's gonna ram. Yep. Go easy on them tops. That's the second set. Come on. He's got a 1 or 2 it to be nice. 1. Oh. Well done. Okay. Phil, yeah. No, it is. Okay, yeah, no, it is. Okay, DM, you're gonna have to stay on that A cap so you can take that DD. Oh, Dale, are you still alive, Sasosh?
Of course.
No, you're
Just a
doing
bongo.
extremely well, mate.
If Sten can, Sander can, they are so soft bongos.
Mm-hmm.
Like they hit well, but it's like made of sticks and gunpowder.
Okay, that's a ram, isn't it?
Go for it.
He's gonna ram you. Yeah, he's gonna ram you.
Oh, he's full health. It's a good trade if you get him.
Well, yeah, I'm surprised he's going for the ram. To be honest,
Yeah, it's not.
no, he's not.
good
He's
for
not.
his
He's not.
size.
He's not. He's not. He's not going for the ram.
No, that's. Oh, there you go. It's perfect. No, that's good. Finish that BB.
What a fucking game, guys! Loving it. Okay, this is all down to DM holding this cap. And Sander, don't let that bungo do serious damage, mate. I thought we were going to lose it, guys.
No, try to spot the bungo and burn it down.
Our victory
His
is in
plane
sight.
is spotting me, but I'm not spotting him. So lovely.
Oh, shit. The bungo's going for the Hindi. Oh, fucking fuck me.
I'm out
Fuck.
of heals as well, after all those torps and shit, so...
Oh, okay, good luck, mate. Good luck. Worst thing is DM's got the bungo and the fucking shimmy shooting him now.
Oh, Hindi shoot the Shima. And the
Yeah, Shima.
got the bongo.
Yeah,
Sander should be able to finish the bungo.
Yeah, just nose in and just kill him. Easy, easy.
yeah, baby.
Let's go.
Nice, nice, nice.
Lovely, lovely. That's the win, guys. Fantastic play.
Yeah, Ohio, just keep going up for B.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case. And don't sound so surprised that I'm still alive.
You're making me laugh. That's the name of the clan, baby.
Indeed.
Yeah, we're not dead until it's over.
Do you know what? We've had some, this week especially, we've had some epic battles. Thought we're going to lose and we come back, and that many of them, it's unbelievable.
That was a very weird sound.
Yeah.
Nice dodge. I will soon be on B, so I mean...
We are now in Storm League, gentlemen. Everyone can't thank you enough for getting it's like an achievement, Premier League football.
Very nice.
And God has risen.
That was so painful. I didn't do much damage because I was just fucking dodging torps and crossfire the entire game.